joining us. I am here today with Jim Frazier, CEO of Nutritional High International. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.
Tell us a little bit about your background and what kind of brought us here today.
Sure. Been in the food industry for 23, 24 plus years. I've built a couple different companies, primarily in the chocolate manufacturing. Still one today is still one of the largest private label chocolate manufacturers in the U.S. My background has been all the way through, installing equipment on the floor, learning how to, the process flow of chocolate, understanding how it works, formulating chocolates, as well as actually physically installing machinery too. So, encompass that with the marketing background and the sales background. I've had a very successful and well-rounded career. We still feel that the whole industry itself is still in the infancy stage. They're still growing, and there's different players trying to take positions, and there's different things being developed. But one thing that we want to do at Nutritional High International is, when we came into this, we came into it make sure we're doing the right things right. Whether it be equipment, whether it be policies, procedures, whatever it took, to make sure that we become the market leader. We want to set the standard. We'll have a series of different types of chocolates. We're going to do milk chocolate line, a dark chocolate line with a high cocoa content. When you go into the stores now or you look at high-grade chocolates, typically anything 70% cocoa solids or higher are considered high quality, and that's the type of chocolate we're going to use. We'll also do a number of different pieces in white chocolate as well, with fruits and nuts as inclusions.
One of the unique things about Nutritional High is that, unlike some of the other companies in the public sector, Nutritional High is more of a systems-based company. So I've been given the opportunity to develop more scalable systems that have lower cost of goods sold. This is kind of the entry point for that type of technology. So we're really proving a methodology that's really scalable before we actually enter a market.
We're continually testing and doing R&D work on our chocolate line and our edibles. So this is another batch of that. What we're doing is, as we experiment with different flavor profiles and different textures, whether we put like diced almonds in it, or we're using raspberry flavors, or diced pieces of fruit. We want to create and be innovative, with our products. So how we're going to do that is we're going to, work on the taste and the textures and the mouthfeels of our products.
I tend to focus more on the later steps of purification involving the short path and the VTA system that we have now, which is really going to give us the highest, most potent oil that can really be used for a pretty wide array of products. So after graduating with a degree in chemistry, I worked for a large biotech company for approximately 3 years. So I definitely come from a background of large scale and professional processing. So I think that background is what they were trying to bring into their team already, with people like Jim and Billy who have worked in larger scale processes before, as a lot of the companies here in Colorado are kind of smaller, maybe a little more rinky-dink, where we're trying to really bring professionalism and industry to the market.